graduates of Rachel St. Andrew, their class advisor, Mrs. Asita V. Aceras. Academic Excellence Award with high honors, Westa Raymond Day. He will also receive Loyalty Award, Best in Caregiving, Healthcare Services MC Compasser, Performer of the Year, and Filipino Club Service Awardee. With high honors, Carlos Trishame Yu. She will also receive an award for being